All right, so we got a shot today. We're gonna be, the thing's actually pretty clean. It's an SS 454. It's a 4-speed car. We're gonna have to pull the motor out because the motor is no bueno. So Andrew and I, Bartel's gonna be working on the Mustang. Gonna do the interior, right?
Yep.
And then the Bronco, we're waiting for parts. So, but this car is really clean. Hold that, guys. So this is all original. Even has original EGR. So the motor knocks though, makes some pretty bad noises. Yeah, pretty bad sound. So today's objective is to pull the motor, get it on the stand. Actually, we don't need to get it on the stand. And it's gonna go straight to the machine shop. But we'll have to pull off the, probably pull the heads apart, pull the heads off, pull the pan off, and because the machine shop doesn't want all that crap on it. So. That's kind of what we're after. And then once that's done, we'll tidy everything back up, but then the car's going to go back to its storage because it's going to be a while for the machine shop. Machine shops are slow these days. Yeah. So, but this is actually, it's a pretty original car. It has the all the basic factory components. So, but yeah, so that's the objective today. And the Bartel, hopefully today you get the carpet in, you get most of the panels on, right? And then we do have a brand new hardware set for it, so all the screws and everything. It may take you a little bit to kind of get the feel of it as far as like what type of screws go where, but it's pretty simple. I think it should be a pretty productive day. All right. Let's see what how this comes out. Oh yeah, that's water. Yeah, so typically you want oil in your motor and not coolant. That's crazy. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Looks like just all coolant and no oil.
It might be.
Well, at least the oil pan's still tight.
Yeah.
Think AutoZone take that oil back? We'll take that used oil. Finally got this beast out. A bigger backup beef. All right, so we're about to take it apart. Start taking it apart. Who knows what we'll find? How bad do you think it'll be? Want to take off this first? Nasty. Heck of water.
Ew. Why has it got so much water in it? Oh, they left it out?
No.
Side?
No. I think there's a hole in the cylinder wall. That's what I think. I don't know that to be fact. I don't know that for a fact, but this one's really clean.
Really? It looks nasty too.
This one's
Look.
gross. So gross.
This one's more wet than this one.
Look at that.
Oh, gross too. All right, intake's gonna come off.
You guys don't need something underneath?
No, it's not gonna leak yet. We will when we take the panel off.
This came out of what?
Yeah.
There's hella water in it.
Yes, there is. Where are we gonna put that, Andrew?
Flat tap it.
We're gonna put what? That leaky intake.
In the dirt.
Huh?
In the dirt.
Okay.
Are we not using it again? Or we just have to clean it really good?
So. No, we're not using it. But it's factory, so. Hella heavy, huh? So it doesn't look like the cam went flat. All the lobes look good. So that's. Oh.
Is that metal?
Look. So here's the one clue. Look at this.
Oh, look at it's not even in there. I knew that looked funny, but I couldn't
So
tell.
it looks like someone over revved it.
Remember those little hidden pictures? Like, what's wrong with this picture?
Yeah. Push looks like
the
an S.
the illusion. Ooh.
Bro. Is it broke off?
Yeah.
It got broke off? Damn.
Oh, and then what's that? Is that a metal
Piece of
chunk?
block.
Oh.
Is that a piece of block or a piece of push rod?
Block.
Oh, damn.
Or the head.
It looks like a diamond. And what's this
There's no
piece
aluminum
laying
on
right
this
there?
one.
That just fell in from the gasket.
Oh.
That push rod looks like it's seen better days. So the next thing to do is actually take all the rocker arms off and then pull the heads off. So we'll call you back.
What, you're going to call me back?
Yeah, over to record.
Oh. I was like, call me back.
Time for the heads to come off. Surprise, surprise. Right? It's like 500 pounds.
That's it.
That's a bad sign.
Is this the original motor that was in the car?
Yeah. You know, I'm not sure. My guess is the piston's not connected. So. Right?
Because it's stuck in it.
Yeah.
And something.
You know what this almost looks like a 396. The motor's actually
Why
not,
is that a ring there?
not in that bad a shape. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's moving.
So this piston here.
Whoa, almost slipped on that. Is that one moving?
No, it did not.
Yeah. So it's really just a 7-cylinder.
Are you guys rebuilding this motor, or are you going to put a whole new motor in
Not there's
it?
a hole in the block.
Okay.
So the next thing we have to do, which is not looking forward to, is take the pan off.
There's like hardly any oil.
Well, we drained it. We drained it.
Oh, okay. I was like, that's one problem.
Yeah.
That's not supposed to do that?
No. It's not supposed to do that.
It's interesting.
Want to rotate it?
There's not a lot of metal in the pan, unless it's in there. Yeah, there's like brass stuff coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That piston is not connected.
Is that the one, the piston? What's that called right there? Piston?
So it looks like the piston broke.
That,
Yeah.
is it the
Well,
one that was
yeah,
on the
no.
other side that was broken?
Piston broke. And then. Well, why is it so?
It was just being. So it didn't break a rod. It's like it spun a bearing because see how black it is. It probably spun a bearing.
Like it stretched it out.
Yeah, and just beat the hell out of it.
I didn't even know that was possible.
That's broken.
That's why you don't use cast pistons.
Was it a stock motor? No.
No, it's been rebuilt once. At least once.
That looks like mine. Mobile.
You should save that for art.
Broken off.
All right.
It's in line with the rod. Oh, yeah, that too.
What happened?
The cylinder wall right here is gouged. I mean, you could sleeve it. This is jacked. Oh.
Huh? There's a hole?
Yeah.
You see?
I want to see.
Oh shit! Yeah, there's a hole.
I want to see.
Let's turn it over. If you can. Right here. There you go. That's a good sized hole.
I want to see. I can't.
Pretty thin too.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. That's a big hole.
So I was right. There's a hole in the block. This block is toast.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of room to bore that out.
You see? Not really. I mean, it's what? Almost a quarter inch.
No.
Not maybe. This looks like a 396.
How do you tell? Or you don't know because they painted it, huh?
I can like it.
Is it marked usually? Like if it wasn't painted?
No, I mean, you could. There's no. Yeah, there's.
Or
serial
how do you
numbers on
know?
there, but
Oh,
you have
serial
to know what the
numbers.
number naming convention is.
That would tell you. But it was stock.
289. No. What is that?
3999289.
Oh, that's serial number.
That's the phone number for Chevy.
312.
That's crazy.
Alright, so this thing is dead, and so I guess it's time for the body bag. It's gonna be a closed casket. She's done. From the coroner's office. AKA Scrap and Steel.
Yeah.
Or what's that place called?
Yeah, Scrap and Steel. Oh no, it's I forget what it's called. Empire Steel.
Oh, Empire Steel. Alright, well the head's still good. Alright, cool.